oven-baked Nutella swirl pancakes.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Makes 12.
Hello everyone. This particular recipe starts off with 2 cups of Bisquick baking mix. If you don't have that or you don't have it in the country you live in, you can use regular pancake mix or find a pancake recipe from scratch on the interwebs. So if you use Bisquick, it's 2 cups of Bisquick, a cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 beaten eggs. And just stir it together until it's mostly lump-free. Then you're going to pour this into a large baking dish. I'm using a sheet pan, a half sheet pan that I've lined with aluminum foil, and I greased the foil well with cooking spray, poured the batter on top, and just spread it out a little bit. You don't have to go right up to the edges of the pan because you don't want your pancake to be too thin. Then take a cup of Nutella, put it in a measuring cup, put it in the microwave, and just microwave it for 30 seconds, 40 seconds until it gets liquid enough so that you can pour it. And then just pour ribbons of the Nutella on top of the pancake batter. And here comes the swirl part. Take a butter knife and just gently swirl the Nutella and the pancake batter together just so that you get these pretty little swirl patterns. Almost looks like paisley. Then you're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes or so until when you stick the end of a knife or a toothpick in there, it comes out with just a few moist crumbs. Now brush the top with a little bit of melted butter and put it back in the oven and under broil just until you get a little bit of browning on the top, and then it's ready to go. Of course, you can serve these with a little bit of maple syrup if you'd like. What's great about these is if you're having a breakfast for your family, you can get pancakes for pretty much everyone all at once without having people to wait for their individual pancakes to be made. Super easy and delicious. Thanks for watching. Now, I know this might be hard for some of you to believe, and this might be shocking to some of the people watching right now, but I have a playlist that has a bunch of recipes that all use Nutella. If you're interested, go check it out.